What if I told you that in 2026, you can start day trading with as little as a few $100s, but 90% of beginners still lose money? The problem isn't the market, it's that most people jump in without a plan, chasing viral stock tips and hoping to get rich overnight. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you exactly how beginners should start day trading in 2026, the right way. First, let's clear up a huge misconception. Day trading is not gambling. Professional traders don't guess. They follow rules, manage risk, and focus on consistency. The goal isn't to double your money in a day. The goal is to protect your capital and grow it over time. Step 1. Choose the right broker. Before you place a single trade, you need a reliable broker. Popular choices in the United States include Webull, Robinhood, Charles Schwab, and Interactive Brokers. Look for low fees, fast execution, and a platform that's easy to use. And remember, practice first using a paper trading account before risking real money. Step 2. Learn one simple strategy. Most beginners fail because they try to learn 10 strategies at once. Instead, master one setup. For example, when a stock is trending upward, wait for a pullback toward a key support level. If buyers step back in and volume increases, that could be your entry signal. You don't need complicated indicators. Many successful traders focus on just price action, volume, and support and resistance levels. Keep it simple. Step 3. Risk management is everything. This is the most important part of day trading. Never risk more than 1% of your account on a single trade. If you have a $1,000 account, your maximum loss should be around $10 per trade. Always use a stop loss. Professional traders aren't successful because they win every trade. They're successful because they keep losses small and let winners run. One bad trade should never destroy your account. Step 4. Control your emotions. Fear and greed are the biggest enemies of new traders. After a winning trade, don't become overconfident. After a losing trade, don't try to win everything back immediately. That's called revenge trading. And it's one of the fastest ways to blow up an account. Follow your plan, stay disciplined, and think long-term. So if you're starting day trading in 2026, remember these 4 steps. Choose a good broker. Master one strategy. Manage your risk. And control your emotions. Do those 4 things consistently, and you'll already be ahead of most beginners. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe for more trading and investing content.